How to get a medical card in Florida. To get a medical card in Florida, you must first be evaluated by a state-qualified physician and then apply through the Florida Department of Health's Medical Marijuana Use Registry, also known as MMUR. First, make sure you meet the residency requirement. You must be a Florida resident, either permanent or seasonal. Permanent residents can use their Florida ID or driver's license, while seasonal residents need 2 documents showing their Florida address, like a lease or utility bill. Next, see a certified doctor who can review your medical records and determine if you qualify. If you do, the doctor will enter your details into the official registry. After that, complete your online application. Log in to the MMUR website, upload your photo if required, pay the $75 fee, and sign electronically. Once approved, you'll get a temporary card by email, followed by your physical card in the mail within 2 to 3 weeks. This card allows qualified Florida residents to legally access prescribed medical treatments through licensed centers.